When it comes to choosing kitchen cabinets, Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners often find themselves asking, what is the most durable kitchen cabinet material? This is a crucial question, especially in our local climate, where humidity can be a concern, impacting the longevity and appearance of your kitchen cabinets. Your kitchen is the heart of your home, and durable cabinets are essential not only for maintaining a beautiful aesthetic, but also for ensuring functionality over time. In this article, we'll explore the top materials that stand up to the test of time, withstanding the daily wear and tear of a bustling kitchen. Whether you are a seasoned chef or someone who simply enjoys the occasional home-cooked meal, the durability of your cabinets can make all the difference. We'll delve into popular materials such as solid wood, plywood, and MDF, and discuss their pros and cons in the context of Kitchener-Waterloo's unique environment. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which material best suits your needs and lifestyle, helping you make an informed decision for your next kitchen renovation project. Exploring the most durable kitchen cabinet materials for Kitchener-Waterloo homes. When it comes to choosing kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often prioritize durability given the region's variable climate conditions. One of the leading materials in terms of durability is solid wood. Known for its timeless appeal and strength, solid wood can withstand wear and tear while offering the flexibility to be refinished if it becomes scratched or worn. However, it's crucial to manage humidity levels in your home to prevent warping or cracking, especially during the humid summers and dry winters typical of this region. Plywood is another excellent choice for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Composed of layers of wood veneer, plywood is less likely to warp or shrink compared to solid wood, providing a stable and durable option. It also tends to handle moisture fluctuations better, making it a practical choice for homes in this area. On the downside, plywood can be more expensive than other engineered wood options, but its long-term durability often justifies the initial investment. For homeowners looking for a budget-friendly yet durable option, medium-density fiberboard (MDF) offers a viable solution. MDF provides a smooth finish ideal for painted cabinets and resists cracking and peeling better than solid wood. However, it is more susceptible to water damage than plywood or solid wood, so proper sealing and maintenance are essential, especially in a kitchen environment. Understanding these trade-offs will help you make an informed decision when selecting kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Why solid wood cabinets are a top choice in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to choosing kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, solid wood remains a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and timeless appeal. Solid wood cabinets are valued for their strength and longevity, making them an excellent investment for your kitchen renovation. The natural beauty of wood can be tailored to match various styles, from rustic to modern, which allows it to seamlessly blend with the aesthetic of your home. One of the significant advantages of solid wood cabinets is their ability to withstand the wear and tear of daily use. Unlike other materials that may chip or warp over time, solid wood is known for its resilience and ability to be refinished if necessary. This makes it an ideal choice for busy families and avid cooks in Kitchener-Waterloo, where kitchens often serve as the heart of the home. However, it's important to note that solid wood can be more susceptible to humidity and temperature changes, which are common in the region. Proper sealing and regular maintenance are essential to preserve their condition. The team at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys recommends considering the type of wood that best suits your needs. Maple and oak are popular choices for their hardness and resistance to scratches, while cherry offers a rich color that deepens over time. To help you make the most informed decision, here are some practical tips. Comparing engineered wood options for long-lasting cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. When it comes to selecting kitchen cabinets for your Kitchener-Waterloo home, engineered wood options like MDF, medium-density fiberboard, and plywood often come up as popular choices. Each offers distinct benefits, and your decision will depend on a balance of durability, cost-effectiveness, and aesthetic appeal. MDF is renowned for its smooth surface, making it ideal for painting and achieving a sleek, modern finish. However, it tends to be heavier and less resistant to moisture compared to plywood, which could be a consideration given the humid summers in southern Ontario. Plywood, on the other hand, is celebrated for its strength and moisture resistance, making it a durable choice for high-traffic kitchens. Composed of multiple layers of wood veneer, plywood is less likely to warp or crack over time, providing a sturdy foundation for your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. While it might be slightly more expensive than MDF, the investment often pays off in longevity and resilience, particularly in areas like Cambridge, where seasonal humidity fluctuations can be more pronounced. The benefits of choosing metal cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo kitchens. When it comes to selecting the most durable material for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, metal stands out for its exceptional resilience and modern aesthetic appeal. Metal cabinets are known for their robustness, making them an ideal choice for homeowners who prioritize longevity and low maintenance. In the fluctuating climate of Kitchener-Waterloo, from humid summers to cold winters, metal cabinets offer unparalleled stability and resistance to warping, unlike traditional wood alternatives. Aside from durability, metal cabinets are also incredibly easy to clean and maintain, a significant advantage for busy households. They are resistant to stains, water damage, and pests, ensuring that your kitchen remains hygienic and efficient over the long term. Moreover, metal cabinets can be powder-coated in various colors, allowing homeowners to customize their kitchen's look without compromising on durability. This flexibility is perfect for Kitchener-Waterloo residents looking to blend contemporary design with practical utility. Local tips for selecting durable kitchen cabinet finishes in Kitchener-Waterloo. Choosing the right finish for your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo is crucial for ensuring durability and maintaining aesthetics over time. With the region's fluctuating humidity levels, it's essential to select a finish that can withstand both moisture and temperature changes. This is particularly important in busy households where kitchen cabinets are frequently used and exposed to spills, splashes, and other environmental factors. One of the most popular and durable options is a high-quality polyurethane finish. Polyurethane provides a robust barrier against moisture, making it ideal for the Kitchener-Waterloo climate. It also resists scratches and stains, ensuring your kitchen cabinets look pristine for years to come. Alternatively, consider thermofoil cabinets, which offer a seamless and durable surface that resists chipping and peeling, a common issue in the region's more humid months. By considering these local tips and focusing on finishes suited to the Kitchener-Waterloo environment, homeowners can ensure their kitchen cabinets remain both beautiful and functional for years. Selecting the right finish not only enhances the longevity of your cabinets, but also adds value to your home, making it a worthwhile investment. Frequently asked questions. What is the most durable material for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. In Kitchener-Waterloo, hardwood such as maple or oak is considered the most durable material for kitchen cabinets. These woods are known for their strength and ability to withstand daily wear and tear. Additionally, they offer a timeless look that complements various kitchen designs. For homeowners seeking durability and style, investing in high-quality hardwood cabinets is a wise choice. Q. How do laminate cabinets compare in terms of durability? A. Laminate cabinets are quite durable and are a popular choice for budget-conscious homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo. They are resistant to scratches and stains, making them suitable for busy kitchens. However, they may not be as long-lasting as solid wood options. Laminate is a great choice for those who want a variety of styles and colors without compromising on durability. Q. Are there eco-friendly, durable options for kitchen cabinets? Yes. Bamboo is an eco-friendly and durable option for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Bamboo is a fast-growing plant, making it a sustainable choice. It is also naturally resistant to moisture and pests, offering durability comparable to hardwood. For homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact while maintaining a stylish kitchen, bamboo cabinets are an excellent option. Choosing the right kitchen cabinet material is crucial for longevity and style. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener-Waterloo, we specialize in providing durable and elegant solutions tailored to your needs. Whether you are looking for expert advice or a comprehensive renovation, our team is here to help. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for more inspiration. Ready to transform your kitchen? Call us today at 226-894-0234 or book a free estimate through our website at kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca. For reviews and more, check out Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google.